Hello, thanks for joining me for Mr. Stud's MOCs. If you follow Play Well Bricks on Facebook or YouTube, you have probably seen this curve before. I released this about 2 months ago and it got a very good reception, but there were some really valid criticisms about it. One was that it wasn't a good angle for making 90-degree turns. Another one was that it locked in with plates and not with pins. My biggest pet peeve was this curb part that wasn't very sturdy at all. Over the last month, I have been really thinking about this curve and how I can redesign it. And yesterday I came out to the studio and worked all day on a new design, and this was the solution I came up with. I'm going to take this video to show you all the features of this new curve, and at the end of the video going to explain how you can help me provide you with a build video or the possibility of being able to buy this as a kit for your own cities. So the first challenge was to make sure that this was good for 90-degree turns. So if we take our angle finder here and lock it in, this is set to exactly 45 degrees. So you can see it would be easy to set up a 90-degree turn or 180 or even a full circle if you want. The next issue was that the way of connecting them was using plates on the side, and you can see here I have pinholes all the way along, so that will make it much easier to connect everything together. My personal pet peeve with it was that the curve just didn't look nice at all. It was kind of a mess. So I took the time to make sure to clean the curb all up. It uses the 3 stud length plates and tiles to give it a nice appearance. And then in between those are just some round tiles to smooth everything out. And then on the top we have a simple hinge with a couple of tiles on top of that. So that works really well, and this actually is quite a bit more structural than I thought it would be. These curbs actually do a little bit of connecting things together, so that's an added bonus. Finally, one of the other big issues with the other turn was that you needed to build a separate right and left section. And I have been able to figure out a way that you only have to build one section and it will do either right or left turns. Lock our pins in. Here is our opposite turns connected. We'll swap it around to the other side now. And that will connect our turns going in the same direction. So I am quite pleased with how this all turned out. If you wish to see a build video of this, I have put a goal on Patreon for $25 a month. If I reach that goal, I will gladly provide a build video for this. As well, if you want a kit of your own, I will be making these available for sale. So if you go to Play Well Bricks Facebook page, I will be putting up a price list within the next few days for pre-orders if you wish to do that. Hopefully you've enjoyed this quick look at the new curves I designed. If you have enjoyed it, please take the time to like and subscribe and to share it around to others you might think who might be interested. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming in bricks. Bye-bye.